Hello, this is Jeannie, October Sun Studios. We're getting ready for our first gallery show of the season, and I know you're gonna love it. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. So it's gonna be indoors, and it's gonna be in the house, and this is the living room. And so we are going to have paintings on the TV, a slideshow, and we have paintings on these wonderful, they're called room dividers, but I've turned them into gallery flats. And then the other thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna have artwork that's just gonna be displayed around the living room, like, you know, these lovely pieces here. I don't have everything out. We're still putting things together, so the large zebra painting, I forget how much this is, but you know, we'll have the prices clearly marked. And then, oh, we can't forget about our little guy here. Hey, hi there. That's Oakley. He's our little mascot. And I'm not putting any jewelry out on this table right here until it's time, because our little friend over there has his eye on this table, and we don't want him to get involved in it. The other wonderful thing is this wonderful tree. Do you see these little bags right here? Each of these bags, let's see, each of these little bags holds a discount coupon, and they are only good for the preview. And the preview will be Thursday from 6 to 8. And the preview is when you get to look at everything, and you don't have to buy anything. I mean, if you want to, you can, of course. But it's a chance to just kind of get to know and see if, you know, maybe you want to come back later in the week and maybe make a purchase and enjoy the festivities. The Thursday's going to be kind of quiet, except for that tree. I think, you know, once you pick a bag, you have to put your name on it and register it, and you'll register your discount, which you can use sometime during the whole weekend. But here are some other things. Let me see. Oh, I can't do it. Okay, here are some. We're just starting to put everything up. I have a beautiful scarf here. And then I also have this lovely scarf, handmade. And then I have all these. I'm just going to let you just kind of real quickly peek, peek, peek. And look at our lovely Christmas tree. Alrighty, that's a good little sneak peek, kind of like a little teaser. And I hope that you'll have time to come and see on Thursday. Friday will be wine and cheese. Those lights will be lit up at that time, and all the products will be out. Okay, I hope to see you on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Check my website for all the times, and I'll also be on Facebook. Thanks, bye.